Welcome back to Quick Fix, and in today's video we are going to learn 3 tips that will help you save your iPhone's battery life. Tip 1. We begin by opening the Settings tab. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Now activate Reduce Motion and activate Prefer Crossfade Transitions. Tip 2. Again, open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap on Battery, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Now activate Optimize Battery Charging. This basically helps reduce battery aging from the text below. Final tip, again open the Settings app, tap on General, tap on Background App Refresh. Now the background app refresh allows apps to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or a mobile network in the background. For this reason, you can decide to turn off some apps you wouldn't need to refresh when not in use. Better still, you can decide to turn it off completely for all the apps, as this indicates that turning off apps may help preserve battery life. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification.